Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about the impact tool. Somebody asked me a question. They're trying to fit the impact tool lines into a shape and it's not working. Impact started in 2018 or X8, and you can do parallel or radial. So we're just going to do a parallel, and when you just drag your mouse out and then you let go, it does these lines. Just a little bit about it. You can change the line thickness. And if you zoom in when you're doing this, it'll help you a lot to figure out they do them both the same arrow. And then what his problem is, he's trying to use the intersect tool, but there's no intersect tool. It's because this is a impact shape. So all you have to do is go to Object and break the impact shape apart. Now you've got a group of 5 objects. So it's already a group, which you need for the intersect tool. So let's zoom in here, grab both items. And what is cool about this, it's going to do that, and there's your shape. Now I don't know why it did red on that one. Let's make our shape black and do it again. Go to intersect. Now it's got black, so maybe it's the red hairline that's turning it. But what I do like about this process is a lot quicker than making lines, and you could rotate this and then have the arrow. Of course, an arrow you probably wouldn't want to do on a slanted line like that, but I've always liked the impact tool because you can just keep using it. It doesn't hurt your object. You could do like I did an ellipse earlier. You could put an ellipse in there. Let's take this out of the way. Now it's going to be red again, so let's make the outline black and then encompass that all and intersect it, and then you have lines. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.